probably wondering how I got to this point in my life. Frankly, I don't really have a clue either. But here's how my story goes. Last summer, my friends Walter and Holly Fowler asked me if I was coming out to California for King of the Hammers. I was like, heck yeah, and immediately booked my ticket. No, of course I didn't book it right away. I booked it last minute like every irresponsible 23-year-old would. Nonetheless, I had a total of 3 flights that would take me from Ohio to California. My first flight departed in the early hours from Cleveland, Ohio, and would land in Las Vegas. There, I would spend the next 18 hours until my next flight. It felt like an eternity. During my time there, I did visit the Royalty Exotics car rental, where I got to see some super cool exotic cars. The second flight was a few short hours to San Diego. There, I would arrive and immediately board my third and final flight to Palm Springs, California. Quite literally almost missed it, but those 6 15-mile times from soccer saved me on this one. Now you may be asking yourself, how did I get from Palm Springs out to the desert of Johnson Valley? Well, the plan was simple. Rent a U-Haul. It would be my transportation and something that I could sleep in while I was there.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Buckeye State Overland. I am your host, Cameron Salapak, and today we are not going to be working on the turd. However, I am in California at King of the Hammers. I am not in a Jeep. I don't have a camper. I rented a U-Haul. This is going to be so much fun. I have some friends that are here, Walter and Holly Fowler. They invited me out, so they're currently on their way. They should be here sometime tonight, I believe. Should be a really fun time. However, I really want to figure out how to get a shower, but we'll figure it out.